Hello students, this is Radhesh Shyam Yadav. Today I will solve one more examples on resistivity. कल की वीडियो में हमने एक रेसिस्टिविटी के ऊपर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किया था, न्यूमेरिकल एग्जाम्पल, और आज उसी कड़ी में दूसरा न्यूमेरिकल एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं. द क्वेश्चन इज ए वायर हैज diameter 1 mm. So diameter of the wire is 1 mm and resistivity is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Calculate the length of the wire to make its resistance to 20 ohm. That means we have to calculate the length of the wire so that we can get the resistance of 20 ohm, and we have been given resistivity of the material, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, and diameter is 1 mm. So given is resistivity is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, diameter is 1 mm. So 1 mm equals to, इसका हम क्या निकालेंगे, रेडियस निकाल देंगे. तो रेडियस becomes 1/2 mm, which will be converted into meter because our unit is ohm meter. So once we convert it, it becomes 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. So radius becomes 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Now area of cross section, we know that in the formula it is area of cross section of wire is pi r square. So pi r square is the area of cross section. So pi is 3.14 into r square is radius 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 square. So once we multiply, we get 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 7 is the cross section area of the wire. So now we know that the formula for resistance is rho into L by A. So rho into L by A, or we have to find out the L. So it will be R into A upon L, which can be written as R is 20 ohm into area is 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now this will be divided by the rho, that is the resistivity of the material, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. So once we divide it with the total, the outcomes comes out to be 981.2 981.25. So length of the wire will be 981.25 meters. So we have solved this examples where we have got the length of the wire is 981.25 meter. So with the given condition that is diameter is 1 mm, तो पहले हम इसको मीटर में बदल देंगे, फिर इसकी रेडियस निकालेंगे, और रेडियस जो हमारा आएगा 5 into 10 power minus 4 mm. फिर उसके बाद उसकी क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर निकालेंगे, 3.14 पाई की वैल्यू, उसके बाद स्क्वायर जो है आर का 5 into 10 power minus 4, ये करने के बाद 7.85 into 10 power minus 7 आता है. फिर हम जाते हैं फार्मूला में, जो हमको दिया गया है R equals to rho into L by A, where rho is resistivity, L is the length of the wire, A is the cross section area of the wire. So L becomes R into A upon rho. So it is 20 into 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 1.6. This is the resistivity of the material, 1.6 in 10 to the power minus 8. Once we divide it, we will get 981.25 meters. So our answer will be length equals to 981.25 meters. So with this, I have finished the second examples on resistivity. So make you understand. clearly about the resistivity. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.